everyone, today we're doing a product review. I am reviewing this Vantop Discovery H610 camera that attaches to the mirror, and it gives you front-facing dash cam as well as a rear-facing dash cam that you're attached to the rear tail lights, and it pops up in that little screen. I don't do these types of videos unless I feel very strongly about the product. And this one I feel very strongly about. The company did send it to me for free in exchange for this video. However, I think this is gonna be an awesome install, and it's gonna come in handy because I'm installing it in my sister's 2009 Jetta that did not come with a reverse camera. So this camera is gonna be perfect for everyone who has an older generation car without a reverse camera, because you'll see how easy it is to install this and get a bit of modern flair in your otherwise older vehicle. But let's take a look at the box. What do we have inside? When you slide it out and open up the box, you're greeted by this cover. So this in itself is the camera. This goes over the rear view mirror, and what this does is not only does it give you a reverse camera when you put it in reverse, but you can also use it as a digital rear view mirror if you choose to do so, or you can use it as a normal rear view mirror because it's got these dual functions. This is what it looks like in the back. You've got this camera lens that is adjustable. You can twist it, you can slide it out depending on your mirror position, and here you've got all these cables that you need to do the job. So you've got this rear view camera that you run from the back of the car to the front. The plug here plugs in directly into this unit. You've got the cigarette lighter that powers this whole system actually. One of these days we are going to be hardwiring it, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to show you how to connect it straight to the cigarette lighter. And the kit also comes with this trim removal tool. It comes with a couple of warranty cards, a couple of screws, double-sided tape to attach the camera, and these little guys to fasten this screen onto your rear view mirror. And now we're gonna go outside. Hopefully there are no neighbors mowing the lawn, and we're gonna do this install real quick. Okay, so the camera is attached to the mirror using these clips. This is how it's done. I connected the power button. I connected the rear view camera just to give you a glimpse of what exactly it looks like as soon as you connect it. And this is why I love this camera, seriously. I popped the reverse light bulb and I hooked up the red cable to the black cable here. This is for demonstration purposes only. And this is the camera, so obviously you can mount it however you want. Let's just mount it here. Now, check this out. This is one camera shot, so you don't think I'm faking it. I'm walking in the car, put the car in reverse. Ha! Look at that. Not only do you get the rear view camera, so you can see my garage. I hope you can see it through the sun, but oh, it's upside down. I guess the camera is upside down. But not only do you see the back, but you can also see the backup lights. Pretty cool. All right, and we're done. This was a lot harder than I thought for a couple of reasons. First reason is the cable that runs from the unit to the backup camera is way too short. So company, if you're watching this, supply a longer cable. This is a small family sedan and the cable was not long enough to reach from the back through the trunk into the front, so this needs to have a longer cable. What I had to do is I actually had to splice the cable and add additional maybe 4 feet. So it's missing maybe 4 or 5 feet, but I did run it through the trunk liner, along the sides, under the airbag, and it came out up top. I still need to clean up the wiring here, but for now this will have to do because we have some family things to go through. But let me show you quickly how it works. You start the car. Look, you start the car and this is what happens. So there's maybe like a 2-second delay, and you are greeted with 2 windows. You have a split screen. This on the left shows you your front facing, and see that one you can adjust however you please. And this is the back one. When you put the car in reverse, and check this out. So I'm putting the car in reverse. This is what happens. Bam. The camera switches to a reverse view. I don't know if we have it angled the right way, how other people would want it angled, but what you could do is, if you set it to one angle, you see this thing? this is the zoom. So you can actually zoom in and out 4 times. So it's got 4 levels of zoom. And then once you put the car in drive again, it takes you to this. So this doesn't come with a micro SD card. I had to use one. Obviously it says your card speed is too low, please replace soon. So I'm gonna have to be replacing it very soon. And then once again, real quick, you have all these different options here. I'm gonna keep it in 2K, audio mode, parking mode, and all that good stuff. And then the beauty of this dash cam is the following. If you don't want to see this, your rear view and your front facing, all you have to do is just hit that button, and all you get is a nice rear view camera. It seems a bit darker than your conventional rear view mirror, but honestly it's not that bad. You can see exactly what's behind you. And again, as soon as you put the car in reverse, this is what happens. I think it's awesome. And then again, when you put the car back in parking, it defaults to this mode, whereas all you have to do is just press the button and it turns off, and it turns into a normal rear view mirror. So anyways, I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Once again, this was a product that was sent to me for free, but I thought that this was a great solution for my sister's car, and I am very pleased with it, other than the length of the camera cable. Other than that, I think it's a nice product, and if you are interested in it, I'll link it down below, and let me know what you thought about this video, and should I make more of these. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.